You're driving too fast.
Why do you say that?
The speed limit is 65.
I know that.
But you're doing 75.
So is everyone else.
But a cop might stop you.
No, he won't. Some cars are doing 85.
So the cop will stop those cars?
Of course. He stops the fastest cars.
My friend got a ticket for doing 75.
Your friend was unlucky. Conversation 2.
Remember to put air in your tires. How often do I have to do that?
Once every 2 months.
That's a lot.
What do you mean?
That's 6 times a year.
Yes, and it takes about 5 minutes each time.
I'll try.
Check your tires or you'll get a flat.
Oh. That's not good.
No, it isn't. A flat costs you time and money.
And I don't have either.
Conversation 3.
You're driving too fast.
I'm in a hurry.
Don't ever be in a hurry.
It's not my fault. You didn't wake me up.
Well, I meant to.
Don't ever be in a hurry when you are driving.
Why not?
Because you'll have an accident. Most accidents are because people are in a hurry.
How do you know that?
I read a lot.
I thought drunks caused most accidents. Conversation 4.
Let's go for a ride.
Where are we going?
Into the mountains.
That sounds nice.
I want to show you my new car.
You bought a new car?
Yes. I bought a Cadillac.
A luxury car.
Luxury plus speed.
What are we waiting for?
Let me get the keys.